Hello everyone. So it's late at night, and I should know better, but I just kicked my own butt on the Centurion, trying to open him after the mods. So now I want to show you that the Saker works. I've modded the Saker too. I'm going to put him in the device and give him a up to 10-minute pick session. I just did a 12-minute one on the Centurion, and I could not open it. So that's good, and that I really beefed it up. And it's definitely not as easy to open. Well, I haven't opened it. It'll open with a key, just like this one will. But I could not pick it open. So let me try this one. Make sure he works again. Yes, nice solid punk. So the Centurion has significantly beefed up. That's the one with the crappy core and everything. But I have significantly beefed it up to the point where I could not get it in 12 minutes. Here we go with this jumpy core. Part of that is the jumpy core effect really works in their favor, because trying to pick it, not easy. Alright, let's go in here and see what we get. They're only 5-pin locks, but like I said, I've modified them, and now you get more clicks. Oh, I almost pushed my tension wrench out. Alright, that was the Attila. Let me switch back to a little popsicle stick one, and I bent the crap out of this guy earlier, so I'm just going to try a little field expedient reshaping here. Right, straighten him out a little bit more so he's got his reach again. And push my tension wrench in. And let's proceed. I'm going with heavy tension again, because that shouldn't change too much on this lock. It should still require heavy tension, although I've got serrations now. So I can't go too heavy, but I know it requires heavy to open it. So maybe I've got to pick with medium tension and open with heavy. I don't know. So far, I haven't been able to get anything open, so I don't have to worry about opening. Just trying to pick it. I'm trying to get movement on the core other than the core bouncing up and down. I'm trying to get like right turn movement, because that's what it takes to open this guy. And I'm getting a lot of up and down bounce from the slop and the core on this lock. So I'd like to end the night with a successful pick. Right now I've got another video that I'm going to upload of the Centurion that I couldn't open. I will upload both of these tonight, and this one, whether I get it or not. But like I said, I had so much fun modifying these padlocks, and now it looks like they're going to give me more fun trying to get them open. And that's what it's all about, right? Fun, fun, fun. Fun in the sun. There's no sun right now. It's the middle of the night. Doing vampire picking. Only vampires do it right now. Right. Man, no matter what I do to this lock, release it. Try again. Try again. I may have overset, but I felt that crunch back there in the back. I may make some custom tension wrenches. Steel Pennies gave me these bars here, and he said they make very good tension wrenches, heavy bars and stuff like that, which I need because I've lost a couple of those. And this guy's got a little bit of slop in the core. It's a 1.2, but I could grind them down to a 1.3 or 1.4, whatever it takes, and then it would have no slop. And it's not that I've needed it to set in these spools, because, like I said, those ball bearings are the only spools I've got in there. And if I run into them, I don't think I've set them properly. So I'm at 544, and I can't even get a full set. Flip my tension wrench off. Let me try to go with the bottom of the keyway tension. Maybe it'll give me more leverage and position the pick differently. There's a big one here. Let's see if it'll fit in there. Yep. It'll clear. I don't think I'm binding up the core. We'll try this. Yeah, this is that old bent up pick, but that's alright. Bend him some more. Go back to the Attila, just to try him. 6 minutes 43, and no success once again. So it looks like I'll keep doing videos on this. I won't. I'll just put up these first two initial failure videos, and then I'll put up another one if and when I pick it open, which I should be able to. But if I don't, I'm just going to keep working on them. They'll be in my naughty bucket. And I may, if I can't get another one of those ball bearing with T-pin type things going, I may steal that out of this one and put it in my challenge log, because it's a pretty good thing. If I can't make another one. Right. What time are we at? 7:43 and nothing, senor. Right. I've almost broken a pick. Look at that. I bent the crap out of that guy. My Tron is pretty sturdy. I haven't bent him. But, it's hard to tell if you're seizing up in the core. You could have this thing completely locked in down there and that thing would still bounce around. So let me try top of the keyway tension again. And I'm about to call it a night because this lock is putting up a good fight. And I don't want to put up a bunch of long videos. We're at 8 minutes, 33 seconds. So let's try this all over again from fresh. I've got clicks off of 4 or 5. Nothing off of 2 or 1. Nothing. Let me go more bottom of the keyway and increase tension. Go crazy. Monkey crazy. Nope. Just moving the cord like crazy. Pop goes the tension wrench. 9 minutes 43 seconds. Well, let me try one more pick. I've got these these SS devs are at 15,000, and I'm going to screw those up. So let me get this Peterson. It's a hook, I believe it's an H1. Let me go back up to the top of the keyway. I will give it 1 minute, roughly. So I get something fantastic going on. It is tighter in the warding on this. It's like a 23 thousandths pick. But the way this thing bounces around, man, I need to get aggressive with this guy. And I don't want to break a smaller pick on. Right, so 10 minutes, 35 seconds. Really about 30 seconds to get your all crap together. Don't think it's going to happen. So it's not just because it's late at night. I think it's really that the mods that I've done to this lock have significantly changed its picking characteristics to the point that I'm having a hard time with it. If I would have gotten this out of the packet and ran into this much of trouble with it, I would have said, this is a good lock. So, there we go. Once again, I have defeated myself. In a way, I've defeated myself as a picker, but I have succeeded as a lock modifier. So, there we go. And the lock still does work. Let's verify that it hasn't just insanely gone crazy and not worked all of a sudden. See? Works fine. Works fine. So, it's not the problem of it being a non-valid lock because the key doesn't work, because the key does work. Right, so there you go. That's a little lesson on how to improve your locks to the point that they might be more difficult for you to pick. They certainly were for me. And now I've got two naughty round bodies. Naughty bodies. I hope everyone's having a good time and enjoying themselves. I will be getting some rest because I believe my picking duties are over for the night.